Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 11, direct and inverse variation. Direct variation means there are two quantity. If one quantity increases, the other will also be increases, and if one quantity decreases, other will also decreases. Two quantities are said to vary directly if the increase or decrease in one quantities result in the increase or decrease in the quantity. Now we have the formula x upon y is equal to k. X increases, y also be increases. X decreases, y also be decreases. K is called the constant of variation, or other this formula we can write in another form: x upon x1 upon x2 is equal to y1 upon y2, or we can write in another form x1 ratio x2 is equal to y1 ratio y2. Now with the help of this formula we can solve the questions. Identify in which of the following table do the variable x and y vary directly. Look here class, don't solve this type of questions. हम लोग केवल देख कर ही पता करेंगे. Now x and y 105 and 6 16 10. Now number is decrease and again increase and decrease. Y 21 and 1.5 decrease and increase. It means this is the not follow the proportion, neither decrease nor increase. So therefore we can write here no. Don't solve this type of question. Don't solve. You have to write only the no. Second part, x upon y. Look here, 10.5, 13.5, 18, 22.5. Now in this case number is increases. Now y 7, 9, 12, 15. Here also be increases. X increases, so therefore 7, 9, 12, 5. Y will also be increases. So therefore it follow the directly variation. So here we write simple yes. X increases, so y also increases. So we write yes. Now third part of this question. Look here, x, y 12, 16 increase and then decrease and increase. Same thing, 6 increase and decrease. So therefore we have to write simply no variation is here. So therefore we write the no. Now question number 2, if the variables vary directly, find the missing values. This is the x and y. 10, 25 question mark means missing value. How to solve this type of question? We have the formula x upon y is equal to k. Okay, now 10 x is equal to 10, y is equal to 25 is equal to what will be find? Now is equal to solve it. 5 2s are 5 5 the 2 upon 5, 5 divided by 2, that is 0.4. This is called the k. ये k की वैल्यू है. Now how to solve? Look here, ये x है, x upon 6 is equal to k 0.4. Now cross multiply, x is equal to 0.4 into 6 2.4, right? Now again 7.2 upon y, 7.2 ये y मिसिंग नंबर है, तो now is equal to k 0.04. Now cross multiply, y is equal to 7.2 upon 4, therefore it will be 18. Similarly you can solve another missing 9 and this is the y, 9 upon y, k 0.4, y 9.0 cancel out, 90 upon 4, that is 22.5. This is the answer. Now last missing number, x missing, the x upon 12, k is equal to 0.4, right students? 0.4. Now cross multiply, 0.4 into 12 is equal to 4.8. In this way, we can solve all the missing number with the help of the given formula x by y is equal to k. Right, students? Now, remaining question. Now, we are giving you in the form of PDF. In my regular online classes, I have already explained the given questions. Right? Thank you.